Turning your engine L4V39 engine turn. The engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the alternator here, very nice, very good. All the sockets in good condition. On top, everything's good, didn't see any damages, very nice, very good. And the starter down here also good, no problem. From this side, everything's good, didn't see any damages, very nice, very good. And the turbo, no damages. Same as well here, the socket, everything is good, no problem. And down here, the oil sum is good. The engine is NGB, yeah? And the engine is turning good.